Hello guys, welcome to Ben's Vlog. So for today's video we have here synchronizing. This one is 500 kVA and 250. We have also 402 pieces that is also synchronizing, but they are different customers, so we're going to do that today. And this will be urgently, we need to finish because this will be the delivery this coming Monday. So since we have off this Saturday and Sunday, so we need to finish this project for today's video. So we're going to prepare those are necessary that we need to do the preparations, and we will update you once it is ready. So this is the one we're going to do it today. This is the 250, and we are already connected the battery, and this one is ready for the configurations. And this is having an options with the expansion relay module, and we have the standard connections for the synchronizing. And also here and the other side are the same, and we have the breaker this side. So this is 8610 and the same options with the other one. And this is the 400 kVA that I told you. This is also synchronizing, but it's having a different customer. The options only is a battery charger and the synchronizing. So we have the motorized breaker here, and here is the same for the same customer and the same options for the same customer. So this today we're going to do. So I'll just take the serial number for this, and still have an options also for the fuel level switch for these two customer order. By the way, if you're doing the synchronizing for the 1206 engine, and this is going to be a synchronizing options, you need to do the configurations with the ECM in order to work on what and how it will work the way the synchronizing should be. So in here, I'm also doing the configurations in our module 8016, and you need to do the correct configurations for our breaker closing, for our AVR control and our speed control, and also for our good calibrations. You need to do it all that one step by step in order to make the perfect synchronizing. Make sure all polarity is correct, all the line-to-line connections is correct if you are working in the synchronizing, because it will make you have a trouble for misspacing, and it will trip your breaker, or maybe it will cause some misfunctions or alarms. Configurations for our 20 and then the configurations for our output, the 150 bits or some options that we need to make it here. So in here, I need to open the breaker because there is some problem. It is not closing properly, and it is give you a trip alarm, and it gives you bus not live. And I will check what are the connections from inside and what are the missing connections. If
there,
any
bro.
wrong connections, it should be fixed before finalizing and for our testing for the synchros. It should be working properly, so we don't have any issue at all. So if you open up this type of breaker, you need to remove the connections in the top, so it will not give you difficulties or any issues during we open the breaker, because this one can cause you some problem during the removal of the cover. So this one first is to remove, and after that, if it is done, you need to fix back and also make sure the wiring is correct, and don't make mistake, because either it will burn your motor or your limit switch from inside. And make sure you are in the manual settings in the breaker, so you can open it, because if you are in auto, you cannot open it. Even if you force it, maybe it will break the knob inside, so it makes you problem. Just how simple as like that to remove this head motorized cover, and now we are in purely the breaker, so we can see the connections from inside if it is correct connections. Just follow how the way I remove the bolts and the screws, so you can also what we call remove your breaker. Just look and observe how the way I open it, so you can also. Which one? The one, you know, in the middle and down. You interchange that one. So now I'm putting back all the screws for this breaker, so we can put it back the motorized cover. It's gone. So in here, you need to adjust the mechanical slots inside, so you can insert it properly to the breaker, so it will not give any difficulties during the insertions. So it's done. Let's take a look the alarms if we can reset it. Going to start the 250 first, and then we're going to calibrate the voltage. We're going to double check if it is the fuel is open, and it's not yet pump. We're going to pump first. Let's start.
We are now fixing the this one. I put oil already.
Start again and put the load. There is something error. Kilowatt, so 100% for troubleshooting. So let's start to the other one, the 500. Fuel.
I think.
Yeah, it's okay. The load for 500 kVA, and 500 and 250. So we're going to put the load. It should be 600 kilowatt. We have 585 kilowatt. So we will check outside what is the status. I will add more first. So it is already 600 kilowatt. So that is balanced now. And I will check. How we're going to test the auto. Try again. So now we're in the auto synchronizing. We press automatically the push button. It's auto. It is automatically start both of it, and then automatically sync these two generators. So after this, generator 2 will cool down, we will put 80% of the load so it will back up the other one.